Ni hindi ya kigomano kia mwaka uyu kia Agribusiness Summit kuria Minister Urimi Mutahi Kagwe yacokereirie miario yake ya gucokeria murimi umithio wake makiria murimi wa macani, kahua na maciaro mangi. Hindi ya gikaro giki Kagwe yarika nderetini ya murimi kurwo ni umithio wake kumana na thogora wa gwikira macani bagitini. Riu Kagwe akiuga murimi akoretwo agitunyukithio mbeca ciake kuona macani maingi ma Kenya makoretwo magithie gwikirwo bagiti mabururi-ini ta Dubai o riria undu uyu ungikirwo guku bururi-ini.
We were at the DMCC in Dubai where they are packaging our tea, and I asked, why do we have to take our tea to Dubai? And I watched foreigners from God knows where packing Kenya tea. I even asked them, why can't you at least call a few Kenyans to pack Kenya tea? And they said, you know, Kenya tea is packed here. I said, why in for goodness sake? And the problem was packaging material is so expensive in Kenya that it is cheaper to take Kenya tea in a bag, take it to Dubai and pack it there.
Kagwe agatariria wirutiri wa thirikari gucokia umithio wa murimi haria wagireire, riu urimi ukigathiririo ta njira iria ndigaru na igikinyirika ya gucokia riri na umithio wa bururi.
The packaging of tea will not increase if we don't have a farmer who wants to grow more tea. And the only way you are going to have more farmers growing more tea is if the farmer is earning more money. Everything else that we talk about here, no matter how intellectually sounding it is, by the end of the day, if a farmer is not earning more, you will not get more crops. You will not start industry, because you can't start industry without a farmer earning money from macadamia.
Hindi ya gikaro giki anyitite matongoretio ni Nelson Maina kuma Elgon, Kenya, uria ni mutaramu wa urimi ni mendekithitie thirikari kwaga kunira ritho mihango ya kunyabara ukinyaniru wa indo cia urimi iria igiritanitio na guthie thi hari ikiro cia magetha ma murimi.
Ndawa cia bururi THIRIKARI ri ciina raithi nona ukira ndawa cia guku koguo ri andu marapti guthi kugira ndawa cia bururi mekita atia THIRIKARI na ndawa icio riu no ciiroka igathukia mimera. Koguo thirikari hau ni kwenda rore muhaka-ini na erore uria ndawa iraingira na egote kugiriria ndawa ingire, egerie kugiriria ndawa ingire nigetha mateithie mukurima wa mundu wa Kenya.
Oho arimi ni moritio kunyita itemi hari kumatha ugi wa njira njeru cia urimi, kuona no nginya njira njeru ihimbirio kugikinyanira murimi ni akwenda kurana na umithio wa ruhio rutweku.
Ni tuthomithagia wa kurima, twina andu metagwo agronomist twandikite across the country. Wira wao wa guthomithia akurima tondu weru akurima itu kindu kia matokona kio na information ni merete kurima aingi maraigwo kurima ina mbeca na makurima ina mbeca muno no ningi ungiingira utekumenya utana information ndukuhota kurima beri ukihanda ungithi handa eka imwe gicagi kwa kuri maybe ukuruta ta nguni 10 kana 15 no eka imwe ri kuri mundu ungiruta ngunia 30 nona koguo ri nigukwenda riri nikio information is very important.
Haruni Kameme TV retera ko ni Bataro wa Mwagi.